Comment lang kayo ladies ha kung ano po mga hinahanap nyo. Let us know. Okay, mag-flex ako kay Rubitas na premium ladies ha. This one for medium or large po ito na dress. Maxi dress siya for 390, code maroon. 390. Mine maroon.
Switch apps or jump to another screen when you can do it all right here. No need to switch apps. You can listen and watch right here on Spotify.
Code maroon.
Mommy, can I borrow the charger yung charge ng Gcash?
Love, malaki size mga ladies.
Time check. Kaya pong review.
Yes, available miss. Okay, wait lang po. This one can fit up to medium or semi-large. Mine 119, 390. 119. Ito yun miss. Sa kay Miss Mean. This one. Trench siya, pero hindi siya masyadong mahaba. Okay, 15. Code 99.
Excuse me po, Mommy.
Yes, love.
Can I charge you? The phone pang Gcash is 100% naman.
What phone?
The phone that I'm using.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so code 99. 99 for the fur jacket na size small to medium lang siya, miss. Size small to medium lang po siya. Okay, sino yun si Miss Laarni Paz? Hi, Miss Lar. Okay, next po, this one naman. For medium long sleeve lang to, for 350. Code red tayo po. Button down yan sa red. 350. 99 for Miss Laarni Paz. Thank you, Miss Lar. For 1,500. Miss Laarni Paz. Ay, i-hanger na lang pala to.